family? It's your boy Phoenix checking in, working on this hot water
on all of them
situation.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So right now, we're thinking you might have to drain the tank again and take off the check valve that's going directly to the tank, to the heater here. This is my unit, the hot water heater. And this is a good one. I did some homework. This is a good, the Ackwood is a good water heater. And like I say, the water is hot, but I'm not getting any pressure. So I'm trying to figure this out, man. Confusing, but I'm working on it. So hopefully we find something out. All gone.